The mass-energy equivalence interactive calculator solves Einstein's famous equation E equals mc squared and related calculations. Let's explore the input options. First, we have a calculation mode dropdown with 6 options. Calculate energy from mass, calculate mass from energy, calculate energy from mass defect, calculate binding energy per nucleon, calculate relativistic energy, and calculate photon equivalent mass. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate energy from mass. There's also a convert to MEV dropdown with yes or no options. I'll keep it set to no. The input fields include mass in kilograms, energy in joules, mass defect in kilograms, total binding energy in MEV, mass number A, rest mass in kilograms, velocity in meters per second, photon energy in joules, and wavelength in meters. For our example, entering a mass of 10 kilograms and clicking calculate gives us a primary result of 8.9876 times 10 to the 17 joules. The alternative units show 5.6096 times 10 to the 30 MeV. Additional information reveals this equals 2.4965 times 10 to the 11 kilowatt hours or 2.1481 times 10 to the 8 kilotons TNT, demonstrating the enormous energy contained in matter. This calculator transforms complex physics into practical engineering insights. Find the link in the description below.